Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm gonna be cleaning out my closet. This is well overdue. Usually I like to do like a full closet clean out slash just like clothing clean out every couple months, and I haven't done this since like last summer, and it is now January, so this is well overdue. So I'm gonna go through my drawers, which actually aren't super bad. It's mainly just my closet right there that I have stuff crammed and it's just like overflowing. So I really just need to sit down, take this time, go through it all. A lot of the stuff I don't even ever wear because I usually just wear a sweatshirt and sweatpants every day because I'm never doing anything. Also, I'm gonna be posting probably everything, if not most of the stuff that I'm getting rid of on my Poshmark. So at the end of this video I'm going to go through everything and show you guys each item that I'm putting on my Poshmark and then like post it all and everything. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested in buying any of my clothes. Everything I'm getting rid of is in great condition. I'm really just getting rid of stuff that I don't wear and that is taking up space. So yes, stay tuned for my little Poshmark haul type thing at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with my closet because this is just scary to look at. I have to put the flashlight on my phone because my light bulb's out. So I'm just gonna put this on so you guys can kind of see what we're working with. We have shoes overflowing, a ton of shoes in the back I just don't even wear. I swear I pretty much just rotate through 3 pairs of shoes, so I'm definitely going to get rid of some of those. This is overwhelming. Sweatshirts and sweatpants. This is not even everything. Most of my sweatshirts and stuff are at my apartment at college, so yeah, we're going to go through this and just get rid of old sweatshirts that I don't ever wear. We have a bin up there, some like random stuff. These bags right here, I have a really hard time getting rid of bags. I don't know why. Like this one right here is a Kate Spade and it's really nice and great condition. But I don't know why, I just never use it. So we're gonna get rid of some bags. Also, there's some bags on the side, but I'll probably keep these because these are kind of like my nicer bags. I have like a ton of just like random stuff, sweaters, flannels, jackets. Some stuff up there, some like hats and stuff that I've honestly never even worn. So yeah, this is what the closet is looking like. It's really a mess. So we're gonna do some organizing too. We're gonna start off with tackling the closet. I'm gonna start off on this side with shoes and sweatshirts and all that. I also just did a ton of laundry so I could really see everything I have and go through every article of clothing in this household. This sweatshirt I love. I can't decide if I want to keep it or not. It just says Penn State. It's like distressed, has a bunch of rips, and then it has this like shoulder strap that's pretty cool. I got it at this wicked cool store in New York, and I really just haven't worn it in a while, but it's so cool. Like, okay, this is different. Maybe I should keep this and start wearing it more. We're gonna put this one in the maybe pile. This Patagonia I never wear. It's really cute though. I love the color, but I just don't ever wear that, so that's a no. Like, what the heck? This is my issue. I go through all my clothes and I find things that I've been looking for months. I've been literally looking for this sweatshirt for like 3 months. Oh my gosh. Okay, pieces I don't want are in a pile over there, so now I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything I'm keeping nicely into this little area. My grandpa got me this sweatshirt for Christmas. It's so funny. It says, "I'm not sarcastic, I'm just intelligent beyond your understanding." And it is so funny. I just have to keep it. Welcome into my closet. We are now sitting on the floor. Gonna do shoes, and this is gonna be really hard. I'm dreading this because I love shoes. Oh, also, I just took off my sweatshirt. I have a little crop top bra type thing on. I was sweating. So ignore that, but let's jump right on into the shoes. Like I was saying, this is going to be very hard because I love shoes and I have like this attachment to all my shoes. Not all of them, but like most of them. Like I feel like out of everything, like clothing wise, bags, shoes and stuff like that, shoes are the ones that I have a hard time getting rid of because I'm like, I feel like I would wear those, but I never end up wearing them. Like these, I love these. They're so in. A good like summer shoe, obviously. I'm not wearing them right now, but they're a good summer shoe. They're the Jack Rogers like basic flip-flops that every girl has. Okay, hold on. I feel like this angle's very poor. Okay, a little better. But these ones, they hurt my feet because I have such a big arch. If you guys can see that, my arch is like crazy big. So my foot like doesn't really fit into this part. And then I also had to put tape down right here because this like texture was bothering my foot. I don't know, I just feel like I've never even really worn these and they're kind of hard to walk in because of my arch. So I feel like I just need to get rid of them. Uggs, I feel like they're not really in any, I know they're not really in anymore, but like they're in my world, so I just am obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with these shoes. These are Hunter rain boots, but my arch makes it so these are like the most uncomfortable thing ever. They kill my feet because they're just like too tight. I don't know, my arch just goes really high, so my foot is really high and it's just a mess. So these, not comfortable. I'm really sad to get rid of these. I like was obsessed with them when I first got them. They're like this matte black whatever low little booties, and they're so cute, but they're so uncomfortable, so I have to sadly get rid of them. Again with these, I wore these once and they were killing my feet because of my arch, so I have to get rid of these. But they're so cute. They like tie in the back, they have this cheetah detail, and they're like adorable. I think I got them at like H&M or something, and I was obsessed with them when I got them. I was so excited to wear them, and I put them on and I was like, wow, these hurt. Going back and forth with these heels. I am not a heel girl. You will rarely ever see me in heels, probably like once a year, and I don't know if it's really worth keeping these, but these are like a good staple heel. They're just like basic and they have like a thicker heel, so I think I might keep these just to like have them around just in case. Old sneakers, I probably won't even put these on Poshmark. They're like disgusting, so I think I actually might just throw those out. Okay, a little transformation for this side. This is looking so much better. So up here I have all sweatpants here. I have like bigger sweatshirts in the middle, and then here I have crop sweatshirts, like zip ups and just like lighter kind of sweatshirts. And then for shoes, I have so much more space to like walk around my closet, which is very nice. They're not overflowing anymore. So I kind of did like sneakers in the back that I don't wear a whole lot, but that I still do wear. Sneakers up front are the ones I wear more often, and then there's some slippers on the sides. And then down here, all in the back, I have like more summer shoes that I'm obviously not wearing right now. And then I have some like winter boots, some Uggs, stuff like that. So yes, big transformation. It looks so much better. I also got rid of some bags on the side that I will be putting on Poshmark. Okay, now it is time to go through these clothes. So every year I usually go through my clothes, my closet drawers and all that, and when the seasons are changing, I'll switch up. So I'll take my like summer clothes out of storage when it's turning summer and the warmer weather's coming, and I'll put like my sweaters and stuff away. And this year when the colder weather came, I never went through and like put away my summer stuff and took out my winter stuff. So a lot of this I literally haven't seen in over a year. So we're gonna go through this bad boy and see what I can get rid of. I feel like since I haven't really seen them in a year, I won't really miss them. So let's see what we got. This sweater, no, 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 no. There's some dresses in here. I don't really know how these got mixed all together. This dress is kind of cute. I don't really know. It's like a velvety, it's a cheetah print. I might keep that just in case. This is a pretty good progress. I have a ton of clothes here, some hats, bags, shoes, and yeah, I'm proud of myself. That's only half of the closet, so let's go ahead and do the other half. Okay, this looks a lot better. So I have summer dresses over here. I have some flannels and just like silk shirts, sweaters, and then my jackets right there, and then those same bags, and then down below I have some like blankets and then just my laundry bag, and then I stored some of the extra hangers up top here. But yes, looks a lot better. Didn't really get rid of a whole lot because a lot of it was just like jackets. Like literally half of this is jackets, and jackets just take up so much space because they're like thicker and stuff. So it doesn't really look a whole lot different. Okay, I just went ahead off camera and went through some of the drawers and picked out some stuff that I'm going to get rid of. These are a bunch of like summer tanks and just kind of bright colors that I'm not really into lately. I have a pair of Zara jeans that are so cute, guys, but they are way too small on me. And then this top that I have just never worn. And then this, my friends, is the pile of everything I'm getting rid of. I'm very impressed with myself. Like, this is a big pile. Okay, I'm gonna quickly run through everything that I'm putting on Poshmark from this pile. And when I mean quickly, I mean quickly. Like, it's just gonna be a quick little overview. I'm not really gonna explain because there's a lot here and that would probably be a long video. From the things in my drawer, I have these jeans, super cute, some rips in them. They're a size US 0 and they're just too small on me, but they're in very good condition. I think I got them like a year ago and I've just like outgrown them in a year, I guess. Little tube top, this really bright orange top, very cute, very summery, just not really my color. I don't know, it's very neon orange. This next top, also very summery, fun little flowy shirt. This pink tank that is so extremely small, but I don't know, maybe someone will get some use out of it. It's just too small for me. Another similar top that is longer. This top off the shoulder in this like jean kind of color. Now onto everything from my closet. I have this really long black sweater, super comfy. This white / cream turtleneck sweater. It's in this like really comfy sweater material. A purpley brown cardigan sweater. This sweater that is super unique, it's from Vici, which is actually a really nice little online boutique, but I just don't really see me ever wearing it, and I have never worn it. It has these like jean sleeves and then this like brown tan sweater for like the body part, I guess you could say. This green turtleneck sweater. This turtleneck is huge. When I would wear it like off the shoulders, and it was really a cute little look. This sweater that is super fun, very colorful. Another little brown cardigan, very soft. This one is like extremely soft. Another turtleneck, this one is in a cream color. This sweater type long sleeve, it's kind of like a boxier fit. Little